This video shows you how to make the most of the Guest Access tool. For schools with MyN4L's secure access, Guest Access lets you invite guests and temporary users onto your network. You can invite users separately and decide what they can access, whether it's internet only or printing and casting too. Let's take a closer look. Select Guest Access from the menu. To allow guests on your school's Wi-Fi network, go to Generate a new Wi-Fi key, where you can choose between an individual or group guest type. Group access is useful for school events and can include a maximum of 240 devices up to a duration of 7 days, while individual access has a limit of 3 devices up to 90 days. To generate a Wi-Fi key, which is like a one-time password to your network, enter the guest's name and email. Under Access Details, you can choose between Standard, which allows access to the internet only, or Plus, which also gives access to printing and casting. Casting is available on a school-by-school basis, and not everyone will have it. Once you've chosen between Standard and Plus, use the slider to select the duration of access and press Generate Wi-Fi Key. The guest's Wi-Fi key will then be created and shown on the screen. And because an email address was entered, the key will be sent straight to their inbox. You can also print this information, or the guest can simply scan the QR code. It's important to note, most of this information can't be retrieved once the window is closed, unless an email was entered. This ensures only the intended guest can use the key, and your school controls who gets access to what. Once you close the window, the guest will appear in a visitor list, along with anyone who's had a Wi-Fi key, active or expired. If you'd like to revoke access to the school's Wi-Fi for a particular guest, simply click the X by the guest's name, then Yes, remove access. If a guest who's visited in the past needs access again, click on the status menu and select Inactive to show a list of expired Wi-Fi keys. Find the user in the list or search for their name and select Recreate. Check all personal information is up to date, change their permissions if required, and select Generate Wi-Fi Key. This will create a new key that needs to be used instead of the previous one. And that's how easy it is to connect visitors to your school's network with a Guest Access tool. If you need help at any stage, check out our resources on Support Hub or call customer support. They'll be happy to chat.